Pull up on who? Bitch, I'ma step, man, fuck all that talking. My gang gon' go. Put cash in your head, get so like an option. I see green lights. Bitch, I'm on go, and I'm no stopping. I'm with whatever you with.
What's up, y'all? Totally out here, and I'm back with another video. I know, don't even say it. I know your girl has been MIA. I know a lot of y'all are thinking like, girl, where the hell you been? I am so sorry, y'all. It's been a new semester at school, so that means homework, writing, assignments, tests, midterms, all that. So I'm sorry, y'all. No excuse. Yeah, I'm so sorry, y'all. But I'm back. That's bottom line is your girl is back, and I'm gonna be dropping more content for you guys. Of course, I'm gonna be dropping makeup tutorials. I'm thinking about doing a fat girl fall clothing haul for all my plus size sisters. Y'all know it's about to get cold, and you know we still gotta look good, period. I'm thinking about doing a lot more videos, so you know y'all keep in tune for that. I promise I'll try my best to be consistent with dropping content. Also, if you hear like a little snoring noise in the back, don't mind that. That's just my dog Tyler. He wanted to be heard. He knew I was recording, so he wanted to be heard today. But anyways, y'all, so today I'm coming with a fall or autumn, whatever you want to call it, makeup look tutorial. And I know you see it. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, right now I'm just taking the spoolie end of my brow pencil and brushing my brows outward. Next, I'm using my Nika K brow pencil to fill in my brows in the color of black brown. Now I'm just taking my Nika K brow pencil and filling in the other side of my brows, making sure they're at least related. They don't have to look like sisters, but they better look like cousins at least. Now I'm going to clean my brows up using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color of fawn at the bottom and toast at the top. Now I'm just taking an off-brand fluffy brush, just cleaning my brows, making sure they look more defined and precise. Now I'm just cleaning the other side. My brows probably take the longest out of all the makeup I do on my face, besides blending my eyeshadow. Now I'm just taking that same brush and cleaning the top of my brows, making sure they look good and even, okay? Now I'm just taking some Ruby Kisses Pore Minimizer and applying it as my primer, prepping and priming for this beat because I am about to slay, okay? Now I'm just taking some LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color of Warm Honey, using it as a eyeshadow primer. Now I'm just taking that same brush I used to clean my brows to blend out that concealer. Now I'm just taking a beauty blender and blending out that concealer more. Now for this fall eyeshadow tutorial, I will be using the Zulu palette and also the Morphe 35V palette. And right now, as you can see, I'm just applying that orange right slightly above my crease. Now I'm just taking like a fluffy brush and blending it out. Next, we're gonna take that red and apply it right on the crease to give like the look of more gradient, kind of ombre look, I guess. Next, we're gonna be taking that brown in the Zulu palette and packing that onto our crease. Now we're just taking a fluffy brush and blending our eyeshadows together. Now I'm about to grab my 35V Morphe palette and place the color in the zone in the crease. Alright, just like the other eye, I'm just placing that in the zone color in the crease using my Morphe M506 brush. Now I'm grabbing my Revlon crease brush and placing Little Black Book into the crease as well. Now I'm just taking my Morphe M506 brush and blending it out. Now I'm just taking my Fast Base Concealer from Makeup Revolution in the color C2 and I'm gonna cut my crease, okay? Gotta be like OT Genesis, cut it out, cut it. Okay, let me stop. When I do my cut creases, I like to take my time and do it with a steady hand because it can go so wrong in so many ways. Now I'm just going back to that Zulu palette and grabbing that brown color and packing it on the outer corners of my lids. Now I'm taking that orange colors and packing it on the inner corners of my lids. Now I'm just taking some regular liquid eyeliner I got from the beauty supply store and winging this eyeshadow look out. Now I'm just applying my lashes. These lashes are the Absolute New York 5D Darling Lashes in Cecilia. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit with my lashes. Lord, give me the strength. Now I'm just taking some calamine lotion and I'm gonna apply it to my face using it as a primer. Shout out to Silver Medallion for putting me on to calamine lotion as a primer. Y'all better get y'all some, okay? Now I'm just color correcting using the LA Girl Pro corrector in the color of orange. Now I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the color of Toast and applying it to my face with a steepling brush, a small steepling brush from e.l.f. For my foundation, I like to go in with a steepling brush first and then blend everything out with a beauty blender. Now I'm just taking that LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color of Mahogany and contouring my face. Now I'm taking some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color of Fawn and highlighting my face. I'm so sorry for this crazy face I'm making. Like, comment down below if you make silly faces while you're doing makeup too. Now I'm just dampening my beauty blender so everything can blend out smoothly. Y'all, I had to blend because I didn't want this foundation to make me look casket sharp because I realized it looked a little light. As you can see, I'm blending it out, blending out that contour, because if you don't blend it out, it can give you a harsh look. Now I'm finally blending out that highlight under my eyes. Now I'm just taking some translucent powder and setting my face using the Airspun Naturally Neutral, and as you can see, as I apply the loose powder, I'm pressing it into my skin. As my face is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to the bottom lash. Now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and wiping the excess powder off. Now I'm just taking a dark brown powder and I'm just setting everywhere I contour it. Now I'm just applying a little blush, giving those cheekbones a little color. I went a little too crazy with the blush on the other side, so now I'm just taking a beauty blender and blending it a little bit more. Now I'm just taking my GLB setting spray and setting my face. Now I'm just taking my Magic Collection Coral Dust No. 3 highlight and applying it. Now I'm just taking my Ruby Kisses Forever Matte Lipstick and highlighting my lips, and this is in the color of Oh Boy. Now I'm just taking my e.l.f. liqueur and applying it on the inside of my lips. Now to top off that lip, I'm just applying some regular degular lip gloss from the beauty supply store. Alright y'all, that's all for this look. If you like what you see, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, y'all.
These niggas is jealous. They just can't understand a nigga, no. I know.